Hey guys, this is going to be a short video. It's going to be an FPV aircraft update. I've been asked on the channel to show my equipment, final product, final installation of everything, FPV setups. So here we go. I'm going to show you all my airplanes at once. Got the Penguin, the BIX 3, and the Skywalker. They all run very similar setups when it comes to FPV equipment. They all have the 600 milliwatt video transmitter from Immersion, run cam in the front. And the Penguin here in the inside, I have the Cyclops Storm OSD. Very simple. I really like the Cyclops products. That's why I use them on all my airplanes. On this Penguin here, I ended up adding flaps, makes for easier takeoffs and landings. And on the BIX 3, similar setup, same video transmitter, same camera, except the Cyclops Tornado on this one, which has waypoints that you can program, and you can't see it. It's underneath the wings, and on top of the wings is the Immersion telemetry GPS sensor, so I can use it with my antenna tracker. And last but not least, we have my Skywalker. Once again, similar setup, except the camera is a little bit different. It's a board cam from Hobby King, Cyclops Storm OSD inside there. And these are all equipped with Dragon Link for long range setups, long range flying. And the tail booms there, the little red squares you can see on all these right here, those are all the GPS sensors for the OSDs. So there it is, very simple setups on all of them. I try to stay consistent with all my airplanes, so I know, because I'm already familiar with the same equipment that I use over and over. So any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.